I'm dying.
Come on, down.
I'm gonna do it.
Come on, guys, keep going. Look, when you come toward the end of your workout, you might want to give up and you might want to slack off, but that's the time where you have to dig deeper. That's the time where you have to go. That's the time where you have to go into your head and say, Shaun T, you want me to do this for 60 days and you want it for yourself? You gotta go, you gotta push. Come on, get there. Come on, guys. 10 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Get down. 4 switch kicks. Come on, here we go. Check this out. Any switch kick. She's working her triceps. She's working her abs. She's working her legs. Listen, there's no sit-ups and crunches right here. Do you see this work? It's all in the core right here. And let me tell you, you can do it. You might not want to move this fast. You might not have to move this fast. But if you keep the form and you keep the focus, you will get results. You will get the best body that you can possibly get. In 3, 2, 1. Push up, Jacks. Come on, Chris. Go, go. Take those arms a little further apart. Come on, push through, push through. Down and up. Come on. Come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going. She's doing these push-ups right here. I know you think we're crazy because we're doing exercise like this. Keep your head in neutral spot. One thing you got to remember is anybody can do this. Anybody can do this program. Go slow, take your time, do it the best way you know how. I'm just asking you to dig deep for you. Your fast might not be my fast, and my fast might not be your fast, but what you do know is that your body is doing the best that it can do, and that is digging deeper. In 3, 2, switch it up, ski abs, go, come on. Push through, there it is, there it is. Come on, check it out. Come on, guys. Keep going, keep going. Keep pushing. There you go. Go as slow and as control as you need to go. Make sure you get those feet all the way back. Yeah, that's right. You got to correct the form. You got to push through. Check out Steph. She's doing ski at the knees, arms to the elbows, feet back, working the core all the way through. You digging deep, Steph? Come on, keep going, keep pushing. You might hate me, but I'm going to love you for hating me because you're going to love yourself. Keep going, keep going. Come on, push. Keep going. Here we go. Come on, you're there. 10 seconds to go. 10 seconds to go. Come on. Come on. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. You see this sweat right here? This sweat right here is from hard work. That's from Roberto earning that t-shirt, earning that work. He had to take the shirt off because he's working so hard right now. You might scream, you might yell, but I have your back, and you can do the same thing. All right, guys, keep going. Drum up there.
That was longer than 10 seconds. I know, baby. Almost there.
3, 2, 1. All right, guys, dig deep. Set up. We're about to go into a power round.
10 seconds, my butt. You're killing me.